That was the first time in a really long time that I've been down to that market, and I do love it, but that was the busiest I have ever seen it. Like, there was lines. So I got my coffee, and they have my delicious donuts. They're these little Dutch donuts that have apples and sultanas in them, and they are freaking amazing. Like, they're so good. So I just got a few essentials. They didn't have much, but I take that as a challenge. I take that as a great opportunity to cook with what I have. And what I was successful in getting is all the herbs that I now want to show you guys how I'm going to preserve them. My fridge is in need of a deep clean before I start packing all of this stuff away. So I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna speed it up and I'm gonna get this thing cleaned. It is sparkling. Fresh herbs are so beautiful. I'm going to show you how I'm going to preserve these. I'm going to make a garlic parsley butter with the parsley, and I'm going to freeze them into ice cubes. And then the rosemary, I'm going to keep some, but the rest I'm going to dehydrate. The oven is perfectly fine for dehydrating any types of herbs, and it's super duper easy. Oh, let's go. My oven on until the light turns on. When the light turns on, it's just at about 100 degrees Celsius or just a bit lower, which is perfect for drying out herbs over time. Is a staple in our household. Always, always, always have plenty of garlic. It's got to be fresh, none of that canned stuff. Check out the garlic butter too. Tray before. They are now flash frozen. What do we think of this one? Oh, might fit it. The last thing that I have planned for today is to get Sam's care package all packed up. I thought it'd be fun just to share a little bit with you now. my herbs are all done, so I'm gonna take them out and then continue packing this care package on my own. Yeah, feels pretty done. I wanted to share this as well. You know how Moccona jars are amazing to store everything in your pantry, and I use them almost exclusively for most things I do, like these little ones, perfect for herbs. The lids can actually work as containers as well, and these little suction things can work as a lid